Working front of house and with training the team here, we always go back to the idea that this restaurant is like their living room. My name's Emma Underwood. I have been working in the restaurant industry for 16 years. The TMRW Project was set up in 2015 by Anna Massing, who's a food writer, and Dan Doherty, who's a chef. They wanted to do something to help support young people in the industry.
Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to the Chef's Table at STEM.
It can be quite hard when you're working in restaurants to get so caught up in their busy day-to-day life without thinking of how best to be encouraged and how to be supported. So the switch, what we do is we pair up two different types of restaurants and we get them to swap a member of front of house for a week. When guests come in there in your space, it's up to you to host and to make sure that everything is as wonderful as possible, but also with like a slight, more of like a homely feel, really.
Okay, so here we have the dessert for you. So we have compressed and dehydrated strawberries that have been rehydrated. It's also served with a little bit of avocado, a chamomile ice cream and some chamomile salt. Enjoy.
Being so comfortable in a space that your guests also feel that, but also like learning about how to properly communicate and how to react amongst one another as well. The synergy on the floor here now is really beautiful, like being able to communicate just with like a little like nod of the head or like catching the eye is a really special moment. So yeah, for me that's a perfect front of house mentality.